Alright, so this microwave is basically just a big hunk of metal, so it's basically like guaranteed to be skatable. I mean, right here you can just put it on a nice board slide. If it was longer, you maybe would have been able to grind on it. I mean, they should put these things in skate parks. It would probably be like an asset to the whole entire park. I mean, I'd probably be jamming all over the thing. Now if you just throw a piece of ply on top of it, it's a super sketchy manual pad. I guess technically it's not a manual pad though, just a pad, because that's definitely not long enough to manual on. But basically any kind of garbage or anything that's steady, you can just take a piece of ply, throw it on top, and it's a manual pad. And for the final setup, I just have a piece of plywood leaned up against it, so I can just use it like a ramp, come up here and try to rock to fakie. Alright, so that was a fail. But let's try it again. Uber fail. Piece of wood's done. Alright, well I'm going to give this one another try. It's twice as sketchy now, but I just double layered it with the broken wood. Alright, well the microwave was skatable just like I knew it would be. I basically have no more use for this. This is basically garbage, so leave a comment or something for something that you think would absolutely destroy this. I'll throw it in here. I'll get it going and try to make it explode. So like this video, leave some comments, help me out.